Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Circle. I'm James, your English coach and conversation partner.
And I'm Emma. We're here to help you learn English in a fun, easy, and natural way.
In every episode, we talk about real-life topics to help you speak English confidently and naturally.
That's right. You'll learn useful phrases, simple grammar tips, and everyday vocabulary that you can use right away.
Today's topic is Let's Talk About Food. In this lesson, you'll learn how to describe your meals, talk about your favorite dishes, and ask simple questions about food.
Talking about food is one of the easiest ways to start a friendly English conversation. It helps you connect with people and share more about your culture and daily life.
So, grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's start today's English conversation together.
Welcome to Mr. English Circle, where learning English feels like talking with friends.
Let's start with a short conversation. Listen carefully.
Hi, James. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat toast and eggs. Sometimes I drink orange juice or coffee.
That sounds delicious. I like fruit for breakfast, a banana or an apple, and I always drink tea.
Nice. I love tea too.
Now, let's listen again. Try to repeat after us. Hi, James. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat toast and eggs. Sometimes I drink orange juice or coffee.
I like fruit for breakfast, a banana or an apple, and I always drink tea.
Nice. I love tea too. Great job repeating.
Let's talk about some of the words from that conversation.
The first phrase is, what do you usually eat for breakfast? We can change breakfast to lunch or dinner. For example, what do you eat for lunch? What do you eat for dinner?
The word usually means something you do most of the time. Examples: I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. I usually drink coffee in the morning. Repeat: I usually eat breakfast at home.
Good. And toast means bread that you heat until it's brown. Eggs are another common breakfast food.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Toast and eggs. I like orange juice. I drink tea in the morning. Excellent!
Good. And now imagine you meet a new friend. They ask, what do you usually eat for breakfast? How would you answer? Take a second and say your own sentence.
Great answer! Remember, you can keep it simple. I eat toast. Or, I have fruit and tea. Easy and natural.
Let's review. We learned these words: toast, eggs, orange juice, coffee, banana, apple, and tea. And we practiced I usually eat and I like. You're doing great so far.
Let's move to lunch and dinner. Here's another short conversation.
Hey Emma, what do you eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice with vegetables. Sometimes I have chicken or fish.
That's healthy. For lunch, I eat a sandwich or salad. For dinner, I like soup and pasta.
Yum, I love pasta too.
Let's listen again. Repeat after us. Excellent work.
Excellent work. Let's talk about some vocabulary. Rice, vegetables, chicken, fish, sandwich, salad, soup, pasta. These are all common foods you can talk about in English.
Here are some example sentences. I eat rice every day. My salad has tomatoes and lettuce. Chicken soup is warm and delicious. I like pasta with cheese.
You can use the phrase I have as another way to say I eat. For example, I have rice for lunch, or I have soup for dinner.
Repeat these after us. I have rice for lunch. I have soup for dinner. Nice job.
Now, let's practice together. Try to make your own sentence using your favorite food. Start with, I have blank for lunch.
That sounds great. See how easy it is to talk about food in English?
Let's imagine you go to a restaurant. The waiter asks, what would you like to eat? You can say, I would like a salad, please, or I'd like some pasta.
Yes, would like is a polite way to say what you want. Repeat after me. I'd like a salad, please. I'd like some soup, please. Excellent.
Let's review this section. New words: rice, vegetables, sandwich, salad, soup, pasta. New phrases: I have blank for lunch, and I would like blank, please.
Great work, everyone. Now let's talk about your favorite foods. Listen to this short dialogue.
James, what's your favorite food?
I really like pizza. It's my favorite.
I love pizza too, but I think my favorite food is sushi.
Sushi is great. Do you like spicy food?
A little. I like spicy noodles, but not too spicy.
Same here. I like spicy curry and ramen.
Let's look at the phrases we used. What's your favorite food? And my favorite food is...
That's an easy and fun way to start a conversation. For example, my favorite food is pizza. What's your favorite drink? My favorite drink is tea.
We also said spicy. That means the food has a hot taste, like chili or pepper. Repeat. Spicy.
Good. Here are some examples. I like spicy curry. This noodle is very spicy. Do you like spicy food? Excellent.
Now it's your turn. Say your favorite food out loud. My favorite food is...
Nice! That's a great way to share about yourself in English.
Let's use this in a real-life example. Imagine you meet someone new. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta. How about you?
That's a natural conversation starter. Simple and friendly.
We learned how to ask and answer about favorites. What's your favorite food? And my favorite food is...
And new words like pizza, sushi, noodles, spicy, and curry.
Well done! Let's move to a new scene, shopping for food. Listen to this mini dialogue.
Excuse me, how much are these apples?
They're $2 a kilo.
Okay, I'll take 1 kilo, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Yes, some bread and milk, please.
Let's look at the useful phrases here. How much is, or how much are these, for asking the price. I'll take means I want to buy. Let's practice a quick shopping dialogue. I'll be the shopkeeper and you be the customer. Hello, how can I help you? Now you say what you want to buy. Great. And I say, that's $3, please. You say, here you go, thank you.
Nice work! That's how you can practice real English conversation.
We learned how much is and I'll take. These are very useful for shopping or traveling.
Great job, everyone!
Let's practice one more situation. Ordering food in a restaurant. Listen carefully.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the chicken soup and a salad, please.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a glass of water, please.
Sure. Your food will be ready soon.
Here are some important phrases you can use in a restaurant. Are you ready to order? The server asks this. I'd like. You say this to order. Would you like something to drink? Your food will be ready soon. Let's practice them slowly. Repeat after me. I'd like chicken soup, please. I'd like a salad, please. Can I have water, please? Excellent. Now, imagine you're in a restaurant. You can practice saying your order out loud. Go ahead.
Perfect. That's how you build confidence when ordering food in English.
We learned restaurant phrases and how to use I'd like to order politely.
Amazing job! Let's review what we learned today.
We talked about food for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You learned new words like toast, rice, salad, pasta, and spicy.
We also practiced useful phrases. What do you eat for breakfast? I usually eat. My favorite food is. How much is. I'd like.
Now let's do a quick recap quiz. I'll say a sentence with a missing word. Try to fill it in. I usually blank toast for breakfast. Good. Eat toast for breakfast.
And last one, my favorite blank is pizza.
Yes, food. My favorite food is pizza.
Next one, I'd like blank soup, please.
Right. Some. I'd like some soup, please.
Excellent job! You're really improving your listening and speaking skills.
Now, here's today's community question for you. What's your favorite food and why do you like it? Tell us in the comments. We love reading your answers.
And remember, the more you talk about everyday things like food, the easier English will feel. Every small conversation helps you get better and more confident.
Exactly. You don't need big or difficult words. Simple sentences like, I like rice, or I drink tea in the morning, are perfect for daily conversation.
You did an amazing job today. You listened, repeated, and practiced so many useful words and sentences.
And if you keep practicing a little every day, soon you'll be speaking naturally and confidently.
And that's it for today's lesson. We hope you enjoyed learning with us.
Remember, practice a little bit every day, and your English will keep improving.
If you found today's video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy English lessons every week.
You can also share this video with a friend who's learning English. Learning together makes it more fun.
And tell us in the comments, what was your favorite phrase or word from today's topic? We love hearing from you.
Thanks for joining us at Mr. English Circle.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next lesson.